Meet the new One Touch Select Plus Simple Blood Glucose Monitor. Here's how it works. Before you begin testing, prepare by washing your hands with warm soapy water and dry them thoroughly. To test your glucose levels, let's start with preparing the lancing device. First, we need to prepare the One Touch lancing device with the new sterile lancet. You should always use a new sterile lancet, as this will help prevent infection and reduce pain. Save the lancet cap for later, as you will need it for safe lancet removal and disposal. With the new sterile lancet loaded, slide the corking control back until it clicks. The One Touch lancing device is now ready. The depth setting on One Touch lancing device allows you to personalize sampling for your comfort. Just turn the depth wheel to your desired setting. Try a shallower setting first and increase the depth until you find the one that is deep enough to get the blood sample of a proper size. To get your blood sugar reading, insert the One Touch Select Plus test strip into the One Touch Select Plus Simple Meter, ensuring that the white and the gold side of the strip is facing you and the black side goes into the meter. You will see your last reading, after which a droplet icon will appear. This means the meter is ready for your blood sample. Gently massage your finger. Hold the One Touch lancing device firmly against the side of your finger. When you're ready, press the green release button to puncture your finger. The One Touch lancing device incorporates precision guidance technology for reduced vibration for smoother lancing. Then, gently squeeze your fingertip until a round droplet of blood forms, like this. Keeping your finger extended and steady, move the meter and test strip to the blood drop, gently touching the test strip channel to the blood drop. After just 5 seconds, your blood glucose level will appear on the screen. If your blood glucose level is 69 mg per deciliter and below, you see an arrow pointing to the blue bar. This means that your blood glucose level is low. If your blood glucose level is from 70 to 179 mg per deciliter, the arrow will point to the green bar, which means your blood glucose is in range. If your blood glucose level is 180 mg per deciliter and above, the arrow will point to the red bar. This means your blood glucose level is high. Discard the used lancet carefully after each use to avoid unintended lancet stick injuries. One Touch Select Plus Simple.